So today's speaker was Dr. Rebeca Gracia. She has a PhD in pharmacology, and she talked about diets. Started with keto, went on to another diet that I don't remember, and then she talked about juicing. The thing that you find out about Dr. Gracia is that she is truly an expert and can debunk all of the stuff that all of the information that you get through advertising on TV and the internet. Her number one request is do not utilize Google MD for your educational needs. I highly recommend Dr. Gracia. I personally use her. She provides a service called thermographic imaging. The number one benefit of thermographic imaging is that it will identify problem areas years before traditional medical doctors will recognize that you have a problem. I can't say enough about her ability and her intelligence.